Charles Law states that the temperature and volume is directly proportional.
That means, if the temperature increases, the volume increases. When the temperature decreases, the volume decreases. When the volume increases, the temperature increases. When the volume decreases, the temperature decreases. When both of them increases, it will increase. And both of them decrease, it will decrease. That's all.
It's demo time! Wow! Let's prepare the material needed. Let's go! First, integ papudot danom. Kit idi idadangtan.
Hintay met agpalamis danom. Nalamisen intalanin. Hiyo natay tinapudot a danom.
Isaruno to'y met tinalamiis adanum. Aguray tay tinabayag.
Guys, ang lamig. Ganito talaga pag magde-December. Nanlalamig ka na sa akin.
Uy! Dinatid guys.
So, nakita yung met, gagayan, kakabsat. The experiment ni Balin. Met ko mga danadaluan niya, may tatangal daw, di lang, goodbye!